Welcome to our video guide on Quietum Plus dosage and usage for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will provide you with important information on how to take Quietum Plus, recommended dosage, and tips for effectively using it to relieve tinnitus. Before we dive into the dosage and usage, let's understand what Quietum Plus is. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement specially formulated to support ear health and provide relief from tinnitus. It is made with a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts, all carefully selected to promote hearing wellness and reduce the symptoms of tinnitus. Before starting any new supplement, it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional. Your doctor can assess your specific condition and provide proper guidance on the appropriate dosage and usage of Quietum Plus. They can also help determine if there are any potential interactions or contraindications with other medications you may be taking. The recommended dosage of Quietum Plus may vary depending on individual needs and the severity of tinnitus. Generally, it is advised to take 2 capsules of Quietum Plus daily, preferably with a meal and a glass of water. However, it is essential to follow the instructions provided on the product label or as directed by your healthcare professional. To ensure the best results, here are a few tips for effectively using Quietum Plus. Firstly, consistency is key. Make sure to take the supplement daily as recommended. Secondly, give it time. Natural supplements may take some time to show noticeable improvement, so patience is crucial. Lastly, maintain a healthy lifestyle by incorporating a balanced diet, regular exercise, and minimizing exposure to loud noises to support overall ear health. In conclusion, Quietum Plus can be a valuable supplement for tinnitus relief, but it is essential to follow the recommended dosage and usage instructions. Remember to consult a healthcare professional, take the supplement consistently, and maintain a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. We hope this guide has provided you with the necessary information on Quietum Plus dosage and usage for tinnitus relief.